Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Maoyongrim. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt shakmat batterian, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tech kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak saw point rewlak. Just wow.
Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Ukonrat ke Sangma haka Santarik Nailar 8,000 Rio ula ong baga Sorkar Jilla Kamshim Lakhang ya ke Jingkhang na ke benta ki Jingïakren bat Kyntu ya ke Voice of the People Party ke Basyong haka liang persya ban pindan kam ya ke Yeng Dorbar kum ke Rensan ke Bapakatam ban pinpau ya ki mat ki baki kwa ban keren. Ukonrat ula pinpau ya ke ni haba jubab ya karai jong ka VPP ban turpat ba sya sekretarian haka Rio tarik Nailar 8,000 Rio da ka bakinno baka Sorkar kamshim lale AA halor shi photli kimat jingdawa.
You can have that discussion with the SP and the DC. They will be briefing you.
But how do you see this march?
They'll get, as I said, DC and SP.
No, not law and order, the issues.
As I said, we have always opened a discussion. We have always mentioned that if there's any issues that are there, we are always ready to discuss any issue. And more importantly, the democratic process that's always followed is that these discussions are held in the assembly and the session is coming very soon. So therefore, if there are any concerns, that is the correct platform, the right platform to take it up. But apart from that also, as a government, we have never closed our doors to any kind of discussion. So therefore, if there's any discussion, we are always open to discuss any matter of public importance. So that's what our stand is. Yes, we are studying all the aspects and we are looking at whatever measures we can put in. There is a concern, of course, because there is a bowl kind of a structure that is there because of the road construction that took place, which leads to where the level of the water or the level where the land is below the main flyover that is there is quite deep, and about a few feet down. That also leads to a bit of additional water kind of collecting out there and leads to a quicker process in which the flood happens. But apart from that also there could be other reasons, and I think as a government and administration from either sides, we should obviously look at ways and means in which we can minimize the inconvenience of the people. We are all concerned about it and the deputy commissioners are coordinating. So we hope that we'll be able to find temporary as well as a long-term solution to this. It's important issue.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha uput usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them Tylli ki jila ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar Tylli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hang ta ka don ka air quality monitor ka balapin pa ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang Tylli ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinre ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini Tylli ki jila menta kis dang pen khre banthaw ya ka joint action plan